Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to block someone in chase.com. First of all, launch open chase.com application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to block someone, tap on the friends icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to search for the profile. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is simply search by the name or username of the person that you want to block. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on their profile. So if you want to block them, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like share profile, compare, block, follow, report. Tap on the option block that you can see at third. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here this user has been blocked. So that is how you block someone on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.